Can't wait to spend a lifetime. Huh? Don't touch me!
Hey, handsome. Ew. This can't be happening. Yes.
Babe!
Don't do this, please.
Oh, Barbie's so ugly and boring. But her, she's so pretty.
I'm all alone now. Wait, who's there?
Huh? Yikes. She must be the creepy Barbie.
I'm a lost cause.
Maybe I can help. But first, I need some encouragement, people. Now back to you.
He left me for her.
Stop acting desperate. Come with me. No time to waste. We have a long way to go.
It is so dark in here.
Get used to it. What?
Hey, are you okay?
I'm traumatized.
Yay, you're back.
This must be a manufacturing mistake or something.
Hey!
Let's fix this tragedy of a nose. No. I'll try to sculpt something less horrifying.
Whoa, you sure about this?
I committed a crime against plastic. This better be it.
Wow, it's stunning.
Yep, but your face. Somebody thought this was modern art? No way we're keeping those. Just kidding. But I am more of a beauty doctor in this case. Talk about a clean canvas. Time to start fresh. I'm here. Hold still.
Finally, let's not do that again. So flawless. Wait, where did you go? You mock me. That girl gets on my nerves. Wow, but she sure knows what she's doing.
I did my best work. I haven't failed you yet, did I? There. A vampire needs her fangs, you know. Mirror, mirror. Come and take a look at your new face. Don't worry.
Wow, I can't recognize myself. Wait, what the?
Whoops, my bad. I forgot to change the setting for vampire.
Can't hide this beauty. Whoa, what's happening? Stop! Go away!
I'm right here. Can you stop? Good thing I have my first aid kit ready. Let's take this as an opportunity to make your eyes pop. Not literally. Nothing says fierce predator like red eyes.
Let me see. Wow, these eyes could hypnotize anyone. Sharp. But my hair is dry as a desert.
All done.
Wow, entering my Morticia era. I'm obsessed. It's giving main character energy. A magical tunnel to a secret room?
After you.
Wow, what is this place?
Go find out.
Wow! Is this a lab?
Yoo-hoo!
So cool!
Thank you!
Hold that thought. No gowns allowed in here. Hey! My lab sure about this? My theories are proven right. Way better, right? Wow! You really are the smartest person I've met. Now I look like I belong in a haunted castle. Not with those Bow Wow shoes. I'll do the honors. Bye. But I paid a fortune for them. You're a genius. You bet I am. They're serving up major Beetlejuice wedding vibes. Thank you. Some lab-made pearls and diamonds. Won't say no to that. These earrings sparkle like forbidden stars. And your blood-dripping necklace. Perfect. Now let's test your transformation. so disoriented and dizzy. The room is spinning.
Garlic does that to vampires. You are ready. Let's show them who's the boss.
Can't wait to see their faces.
I'll do one final quality control. Shoes, check. Dress, can't get any better than this. Hair and makeup, fantastic.
Who needs daylight when you can own the night? Bow down to your immortal queen. Yay! Let's do this! It's my time to shine.
We are in this together.
I owe you big time.
Remember her? Wow! How did she become so pretty? With some magic and love. Oh. Ew! I'm bored of this doll.
Whoa! She betrayed me.
Ouch! Him too.
No! Where am I going? Ow! Are we in trash? Let me out! I'm afraid of germs! Whoa! Can't believe that's Barbie!
Shouldn't have left me. Huh?
Take me back!
Oh.
Whoa! That hurt!
Here! I'll just give you a haircut! Welcome to Justin's salon! I'll give you the haircut of your dreams! Not using this though! I'll use my nail!
That's too short. I'm bald.
Don't worry! The solution isn't here!
I need hair, not cookies.
It's your new hair, silly! Just trust me! I'll sew this black yarn into a head and repeat it a couple of times. That way you'll get a full vampire look. It's done!
Wow.
Give it a flip!
I love it.
You're so beautiful! I don't need this anymore. Whoops! So pretty! There's so many holes!
Oh no, my dress.
You need new clothes. Aha! Whoa, my old Barbie! Come here! Outfit swap! Bye, girl! Wow!
Ew, this color is disgusting.
Huh? I'll fix it! I have the perfect recipe for this situation. First step, put the dress in the pot. Add 1 cup of werewolf sweat. The thicker, the better. Perfect! Next is... the special ingredient. Whoa, this is my favorite part. Whoa! There it is. Now I have to squeeze out the juice. I'll add it to the pot and then mix.
Oh, that for a dress?
Wait till you see it. Try it on.
Whoa.
I got a cape for you too.
I'm feeling this vibe, but it's missing something.
Let's add some finishing touches. Yeah! It adds some flair to the dress.
I love it. Thank you, Justin.
You look like Vampina, my dream girl.
Honey!
Hey, Mom. What's up?
You're weird.
Gotta keep him sharp.
Ooh, I want it. Paint my nails.
Huh? All right, Barbie. Pew, pew. Choose a color.
I want the red one.
Red it is. Nice choice. Coming in hot. I saw this hack on TikTok. First, I'll squeeze some hot glue onto your hand. Wow! It's like real nail polish.
It's too long. Can you cut it?
You're right. Yes, I can.
Thanks.
What do you think?
Wow.
You look like Vampina now.
Yeah, I'm really feeling this vampire look.
Vampina, my dream girl. La 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 la. Whee! Whoa! Vampina, are you okay?
Ouch! I'm out of here! Bye!
Wait! Vampina left me. I don't want to be alone.
Yikes. Wait a second. He looks interesting.
Nope. Really? Well, hello there. Knock knock. Your soulmate has arrived. I'm here to suck your blood. I mean, sweep you off your feet.
Flowers? Ew!
I'm really… What the? You look nothing like your profile. I'll take those flowers.
Are you kidding me? What's going on? I was expecting a handsome vampire. This is just typical. I'll never find love.
Aw, don't cry. Let's start again. Hi. How's it going?
Hi, I'm… Whoa! What happened?
What is this place? Ugh! What is that smell? Okay, hold still.
No! Stay back! Please, anything but that! I mean it!
I'm just trying to help. I know what to do. Tickle, tickle.
That's funny!
Open wide. There. That wasn't so hard, was it? What have you been eating? I'll need to burn this. I need something with more power. This'll do the job.
Wait, no! Oh, that feels good!
Wow, what a difference. Take a look.
Wow, thanks so much! Easy! Ouch! Look at my skin!
What is it? Why are you looking at me like that?
We need to get rid of that nose hair!
There must be something I can do. Aha! I've got it! Trust me, I know what I'm doing. I'll get rid of that trash. I should work in a salon. I'm a genius.
Wow, that was so quick! I feel so glamorous! I'll give it a brush.
Ooh, maybe I can use this. That feels good. It's like a mini head massage. My hair's never looked so good. It's nice and straight. Look at that shine. Hey, check it out.
I feel amazing! What's next?
Leave it to me. Let's add some braids.
If you say so.
This little gadget will do all the work. I'll take a strand of your hair, just like this. And then the magic happens.
Whoa! Are you kidding me? That's so cool!
I know. This is how I spend my Friday nights.
Whoa! I feel so pretty! How can I ever thank you?
Hey, it's what vampires do.
And it leaves behind perfect brows! Why didn't I think of this before? I feel beautiful! What a transformation! I love it! I should be on the catwalk. What do you think?
Wow, you're gorgeous. I need to change my outfit. I'm not feeling this cloak. How's that? I know. It's pretty awesome. I should wear this more often.
Check you out! That is one handsome vampire! What a difference! I'm glad we did this.
I'm so nervous.
We all want to look our best. Sometimes all it takes is a little makeover. What's your best beauty tip? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos just like this one.